Have you ever wondered why some people stay poor, no matter how hard they work, while others grow richer even when they start with nothing? It's not just luck. It's not just talent. It's habits. In this full video, we're going to reveal 7 destructive financial behaviors that keep people broke, and how rich people avoid them completely. These aren't just theories. They're backed by real-life stories, expert research, and action steps you can take starting today. So grab a notebook. Your financial breakthrough could start with just one of these mindset shifts. Poor people often spend more than they earn, chasing comfort, status, and short-term pleasure. Examples: a new phone on payments, dining out just this once, subscriptions you forgot you had. If you earn $2,000 a month and spend $2,100, that's $1,200 in debt annually. Meanwhile, someone who earns the same but lives on $1,600 is saving $4,800 a year, enough to start investing or build an emergency. Fun.rich mindset. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Track your spending for 30 days. Set a spending limit below your income. Use the 24-hour rule before making purchases. Most poor people never learn how money actually works. They avoid it out of fear, stress, or the false belief that it's too complicated. Fact: 88% of wealthy people read about personal development and finance for 30 minutes per day. Only 2% of poor people do the same. Thomas Corley, Rich Habits, real example. Sarah was deep in debt. Instead of panicking, she learned 1 video a day, 1 book a month. Within a year, debt down, savings up, and she began investing. Key takeaway: financial ignorance isn't a lack of intelligence. It's a lack of intentionality. Action steps: pick one topic: debt, investing, budgeting. Watch 3 videos or read 2 articles on it this week. Apply 1 lesson within 7 days. Poor people often rely on just one income stream, usually from a job that trades time for money. You can't work 24/7, but your money can. Examples of income streams: real estate, stocks, digital products, YouTube, courses, affiliate marketing, royalties, freelance side hustles. Marcus, a delivery driver, started a YouTube channel about budgeting. After a year, his channel out-earned his job. Key shift: don't just work hard, work smart. Build income that grows while you sleep. Action steps: identify your skills. Explore side hustles you can start small. Automate saving and investing monthly. Poor people often avoid opportunities because of fear. But rich people embrace calculated risks, not blind leaps. Fear says, "What if I fail? I'm not smart enough. It's too risky." Wealth says, risk is necessary. Failure is part of success. Real story: Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. She took risks, built her own network, and became one of the richest women on earth. Mindset shift: without risk, there's no growth. Without growth, there's no wealth. Action steps: start with small risks. Educate yourself before acting. Join a supportive community to build confidence. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Jim Rohn. Poor people often stay in environments filled with negative energy, mocking ambition, normalizing bad money, habits wasting time and money. Real story: James left his toxic circle and found online communities focused on growth and financial literacy. His life transformed. Rich people choose their circle intentionally. They seek out mentors, networks, and peer groups that challenge them to grow. Action steps: audit your circle. Who drains versus supports your goals? Join online finance or entrepreneurship groups. Listen to mindset-focused podcasts regularly. Blaming the government, your job, or the economy gives away your power. It's the system's fault. Rich people got lucky. I'll never make it. Real story: Lisa grew up in poverty. After years of blaming others, she took responsibility. worked multiple jobs, took courses, and started a freelance business. She now owns a digital agency. Key. Shift. Blame is comfortable, but responsibility creates progress. Action steps. Replace "why is this happening to me" with "what can I do about it?" Reflect on one mistake and what you learned from it. Take 100% ownership of your current financial habits. Poor people think, how do I make money fast? Why save for 30 years? Investing takes too long. This leads to get-rich-quick schemes, shiny object syndrome, constant financial resets, real contrast. Ton tries shortcuts and fails. Ben learns, builds slowly, and wins after 3 years. Rich people think in decades, not days. Action steps. Set 3-year financial goals, not just monthly. Invest $50 to $100 per month in a simple index fund. Focus on habits that compound: reading, creating, saving. Full recap: the 7 habits that keep people poor: living beyond your means, ignoring financial education, only trading time for money, fearing calculated risks, wrong social circle, blaming others, avoiding responsibility, thinking short-term over long-term. The full breakdown of the 7 habits that keep people poor and the mindset shifts that create wealth. If this video helped you, please do 3 things. Like it. It really helps the channel grow. Comment below. Which habit are you breaking? First, subscribe plus hit the bell so you don't miss future content. You be part of the Financial Freedom Hub now. We're not just teaching finance. We're building a movement of people who take ownership, invest in their future, and build true freedom.